How many middle-sized square can you find between two substitute or even just one? See, 300 over 1 means the heartbeat is 300 beats per minute.
But the space lessens between each beat, right? This is a complete square lessons.
So a very big difference is not very important. I will listen. Thank you very much. Now, to the board. Listen. Is that normal or not? So, it is not normal. Where can be the initial focus for this heartbeat? The rhythm is initiated where? In the SA node, in the AV node, in Purkinje fibers, in the normal ventricle. Where? SA node. So if there is the SA node, then you should have
P wave.
the P wave. Do we have any P wave here?
Yes.
No. So
Where in which one? First,
No,
second,
no,
third.
is there any P wave? No. So there is no P wave, but the rhythm is normal. I mean the rhythm is regular.
ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है?
In the AV node, if it is initiated in the AV node, do we have any P wave or not?
No.
No,
There will be no
we
P.
are not P wave, yes. Somewhere in the atria can initiate the signal and depolarizes the atria from down to up. Then we will have a negative P wave. But here it means that somewhere in the atria, in the junction between the atria and the ventricle, it starts the signal without depolarizing the atria. This is called junction. But junction can produce the beat between 15 up to 14. 15 up to 14. So this is 300. It means that it initiates in the junction, but an overstimulation of the sympathetic system causes these high heart rate. This is called accelerated junctional rhythm.